Here we go, here we go. Look, that's that fried chicken right there. For the thigh, y'all. That piece of thigh right there. Let's just break a piece. Oh, yo, I'm gonna just eat some of the skin. That's all skin right there. All right, y'all, I'm at Journal Square now. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in Jersey City, man. I'm in Journal Square right now, right? I am bugging, man. I am really bugging, right? Because you would not believe how many times I've caught the PATH train in my life, right? I'm in Journal Square. That was my destination. Why did I think I was going to Newport, to Pavonia, Newport? So I stayed on the train, didn't intend to, stayed on the train, went to Grove City, Pavonia, Newport. Then I was like, wait a minute, I'm not supposed to be going to Pavonia, I'm supposed to be going to Journal Square. That's where I'm at right now. So what I did was like, yo, just relax. Enjoy the train ride. That's what life is, man. Life is not to be stressed over or worried over. Just get the next train. Okay, I just remember name. It's Sherelle. What's going on, Sherelle? Thanks for suggesting Jollibee's. We're about to go in. All right, I just had to do that because we just went back and forth. Shout out to all our subscribers as we make our way to Jollibee. Thank you very much. I appreciate you cats. Let's go in here. There it is, like it's over here in the cut, y'all. Fried chicken spot over here in the cut. Next to Dwayne Reed. Let's go get some fried chicken. This chicken better be good, man, for me to miss all them trains. I ain't really frustrated. Here we go, y'all. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go. I always think about how dirty these doorknobs, thank you. How dirty these doorknobs are, yo. You know, I be thinking these doorknobs are, oh, get in line. All right, so I'm gonna get in line. I'm gonna order. Got our Jollibee's, y'all. I got my chicken. They only had thighs and legs. Y'all know I love wings. But we gonna, man, look, I'm open to try different things. So we are going to try the thighs and the legs. See what we got here, man. Let me try to find a seat here out in Jersey City. Jersey City. All right, y'all, in that bag, I got the chicken and I got some mashed potatoes. Y'all know that's rare for me, right? And I got some gravy. What's this right here? That looks like some extra gravy there, man. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right, y'all, I'm camped out here. I got a little seat. Look, man, I'm an outdoorsman. Look, that's that fried chicken right there. Let's get it in the sun so y'all can see it good and clear. That's that fried chicken. I got a leg and a thigh. A leg and a thigh. Sherelle told us to come here. This better be some good chicken, Sherelle. This better be the best chicken I've eaten. All right, y'all. We here at Journal Square. Yo, I just come off a journey, man. It was a journey. We got this fried chicken right here, y'all. There it is right there. Got the fried, I'm about to drop that, man. If it drop on this ground, you can't eat it. Got that fried chicken here from this spot called Jollibee. We do not have these in Newark, New Jersey, so we had to come out, man. That's a nice looking piece of chicken right there, right? That's nice and crispy, right? Haven't tasted it yet. It might taste like garbage, right? Nah. Nice piece, right? We're gonna go for it, man. So check it out. It even have this, it lets you know that this one is spicy. Has a little spicy flag implanted into the chicken. Now that's pretty cool. I've never seen that. Out of all the places I've eaten before, I've never seen a spicy chicken. KFC ain't got that. Look, y'all. Got the spicy chicken, huh? Very crunchy. I'm tasting the spices already. Okay, let's rate the crunch. The crunch, we're gonna get a crunch of 10 right off the bat. And it's not dried out, y'all. They look nice and juicy in there. Let's check out the meat. Nice, juicy, tender, coming off the bone, still hot. You guys can see the steam coming off the chicken. All right, Sorrel. It's really tasty, man. The spicy one, so far, so good. This is delicious. For me not to be a drumstick lover, I am very happy I came here, man. This is good. I'm glad I'm not glad I missed 2 trains, but I'm glad I didn't give up, even though I went 2 stops ahead of this stop, or after this stop. I was headed to New York City. This is good and spicy, y'all. I mean, I taste those peppers in my mouth. Gotta get that meat hanging off. The flavor goes all the way through the meat. So it's like they season it really well. That's the spicy one. I'm almost done. It's around 2 o'clock. I have not eaten today. I got to give y'all the whole synopsis, right? The whole scenario. Because y'all going to be like, the reason you like it because you was really hungry. Nah, I had 2 cups of coffee. Thanks for those who supported my coffee habit. Thanks for those that hit that $ thanks button and give a little extra for the coffee. All right. She got that one off. Sherelle, you got that one off. You know what? I'm going to tell y'all why I don't like the drumstick. See that vein thing in there? Hold on, can you see it? See that vein thing that looks like a worm? That's why I don't like the drumstick. I'm gonna eat around that. I almost ate the worm, y'all. That's good. That's all I'm gonna do. My parents wouldn't let me get by with that one because I gotta eat up all in the gristle, but wait a minute, y'all. Where'd that worm go? I think I made a mistake and ate the worm. That was a leg. Before I go into the thigh, I'm gonna try out some of these potatoes. Mashed potatoes with gravy. That's the mashed potatoes with the gravy right there. While these spices are still running rampant in my mouth, I'm gonna try this. All right. Those mashed potatoes are, look. They're kind of stuck together. Look at that. It's like they're rubbery. Okay. If you're gonna have mashed potatoes, they gotta be the bomb. They're kind of rubbery. Okay. Oh, those spices from the chicken is still kicking. Let's see what I think this extra gravy, maybe. I was supposed to pour all of this gravy on. Oh, that's a lot of gravy, y'all. We're not gonna mess with the gravy. Mashed potatoes, we're gonna give a 2. 2 for the mashed potatoes. It wasn't nothing special, man, and they kind of gelatiny. Let's go for the thigh, y'all. That piece of thigh right there. Let's just break a piece. Oh, yo, I'm gonna just eat some of the skin. That's all skin right there. Don't nobody be talking about skin ain't no good for you, shouldn't be eating it. Here we go. Nice and crispy skin. The grease is definitely clean. Whatever grease they cook this in is clean. For the napkin people, let me get my napkin. Shout out to all the napkin people that follow me on YouTube. That skin was really good. Let's go into it. Meat is nice and tender. It's seasoned well. I really like the kick from the chicken leg. That was the spicy one. I wish I had gotten 2 spicy ones. But this is really good. I got the mashed potato, 2 pieces of chicken in the water. It came to $10. It might have been like $10, $20, and $9.99 and some change. $9.99 and tax. $9.99 and some change. Some of y'all just be listening. If it's $9.99 and there's some change, that takes it over into 10. Right? Where are my people that still remember what pi means? 3.14. What does that mean? 2207. What does pi? Well, why do we need pi? I know why I need pi. Oh, wait a minute, I'm lying. I got a pie, y'all. Hey, get back. Look. Look, y'all. Look. Look at the dog that jumped in. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You got a good start.
Yeah. See my little puppy friend that came by, y'all? He wasn't having it. He was like, look, is this the chicken giveaway? I should have broke a piece off. I didn't know if his owner wanted him to have a piece of chicken, though. But, oh, we were talking about pie, y'all. So that what I told you the price is? I forgot about the pie. It's called peach mango. Y'all know I normally don't get this junk food, but I did. I got the pie. They sold me on the, I think this is called the special. The chicken's delicious. I'll give it to them. We got the peach mango pie. Jolly Bees. I'm gonna need some milk after I eat this. Y'all know I don't like eating cake or pie without milk. Look at this, man. Look at this. This is good. I like this. Wow. I think that's delicious. It kind of reminds me of the old McDonald's apple pies. Remember McDonald's apple pies first came out? They had like that crispiness. See how it's like that bubble crispiness from the deep fryer? And then at McDonald's changed their ingredients. It was just different, man. Even the back, remember the Big Mac used to come in like this cardboard, this round cardboard? All of that changed. All right, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I'm gonna eat this a little bit later. I know y'all saying I already done ate all of it. That pie was good. They don't sell biscuits. I wish they had biscuits. Of course, I asked for one. They said, no, we don't have biscuits here. They don't sell chicken wings. If you're a chicken wing lover only, I love chicken wings. But I would definitely come back here and get the leg, but get the spicy. It's delicious, man. This your man, Matt DV. Signing off from Jersey City, New Jersey. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with me now. I love you, cats. I'll see you at the next one. Peace.